Andariki Namaskaram, Yellarigu Namaskaram. Namaskar, everybody. A very good evening. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you in the 6 days of program on teaching, testing, and evaluation for Kannada and Telugu language teachers of NVS. From NVS Rangareddy, we have Dr. Gopal Krishna sir online with us. Sir, a special welcome to you for joining this program, for joining this session.
And thank you, Udvidiji. It's our pleasure to be associated with this meeting.
Thank you, sir. And as everybody knows that in the 6 days of this program of your respective language, that is Kannada and Telugu, I tend to believe that you all must have learned various important things related to teaching, testing, evaluation, components of literature, components of language, and several things related to technology, information communication technologies, tools and softwares which are used in designing the softwares. We together call it natural language processing softwares. And we must also have learned other things related to your teaching, like how to teach vocabulary, how to teach grammar, and the basic linguistic skills, listening, reading, writing, these kind of things. And various strategies related to learning of a language as well as teaching of a language. Apart from that, one very important component which was added by your Honorable Commissioner, that is the culture of your respective language, of your respective land. So, like what's the literature, what's the culture of that area and land. So this is what I believe. And the most important part which we do, like by the end of the program in the last 2 days, that is how to frame the balanced and the proper question items so that you can assess your learner properly. So as I have been informed that you all are doing very good, and just within 24 hours, together you people have inputted about 2,000 question items in total, just within 24 hours, because yesterday we started and today like almost 2,000 question items are already in our database. So that is what reflects the hard work and the dedication of you teacher. And it's very important, it's very good. And I'm sure that at least some of you will remember that in the first day of our program, I also told that like we added Kannada and Telugu as two of the main languages in our NTS component. And these two languages are the fastest growing languages in our database. So we are amazed to see the kind of hard work that teachers and the researchers who are engaged in the teaching and learning of Telugu, or the Telugu scholars in general. They are so hardworking, they are so dedicated. So, a special thanks to all of you. And you have all been very nice. I've been reading all of your WhatsApp conversation, your comments here, and the kind of feedback you people have been providing. So it has been very nice. And I'm sure this program is going to be very much beneficial for you all. I will invite the feedback by the end of this session, one by one. But before, I think it's time to hand over the mic to Dr. Narayan Reddy to read out the program report in Telugu in detail. And afterwards, I will invite Dr. Manjunatha to do the same for the Kannada language program. So Dr. Narayan Reddy, over to you, please.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సమాపనోత్సవానికి అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. తెలుగులో పరీక్ష, మూల్యాంకనం మరియు అంశరచన మీద 6 రోజుల ఆన్లైన్ శిక్షణ శిబిరానికి విచ్చేసిన ఎన్విఎస్ సిబ్బందికి, సిఐఎల్ సిబ్బందికి అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. ఇకపోతే ఈ 6 రోజుల కాలంలో ఎన్నో విషయాలు ఈ ఆన్లైన్ కార్యక్రమంలో మనం చర్చించుకుందాం. అందులో భాగంగా మొదటిది బోధన, అభ్యసనం, పరీక్ష మరియు మూల్యాంకనం మీద, దాని తరువాత ఉపాధ్యాయుని ముఖ్యమైన విలువలు, సంప్రదాయ మరియు ఆధునిక విధానం మీద, దాని తరువాత ఐసిటి వాడకంలో భాషా బోధన మరియు పరీక్ష, దాని తరువాత భాషా అభ్యాస వ్యూహాలు, దాని తరువాత భాషా బోధన పద్ధతులు మరియు మెలకువలు, దాని తరువాత ప్రాథమిక భాషా నైపుణ్యాలు, తెలుగు వ్యాకరణంలో వాక్య నిర్మాణం, దాని తరువాత భాషా బోధన కోసం ఎన్ఎల్పి సాధనాలు, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మరియు కార్పొరాను ఉపయోగించడం, భాషా తరగతి గదిని నిర్వహించడం, బోధన, పరీక్ష మరియు మూల్యాంకనం, గద్యం, పద్యం, దాని తరువాత జాతీయ విద్యా విధానానికి అంటే NLP 2020కి సంబంధించిన పాఠశాల విద్యా లక్ష్యాల వర్గీకరణ మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయులు బోధనా సామాగ్రిని మదింపు వేయడం, దాని తరువాత ప్రజలు, భూమి, సాహిత్యం మరియు సంస్కృతి, దాని తరువాత తెలుగు పదాల బోధన మరియు అభ్యసనం, దాని తర్వాత ధ్వని శాస్త్రం, దాని తర్వాత ప్రశ్నాంశ రకాలు. ఈ విధంగా 20 అంశాల మీద మనము చర్చ చెప్పాము. ఆ చర్చ ఫలప్రదమైందని పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉత్సాహం, వాళ్ళ ఉల్లాసం, వాళ్ళ ఆనందం చూస్తుంటే నాకు స్పష్టంగా తెలుస్తా ఉంది. ఈ 20 అంశాలను మొదటగా శాంతకుమారి గారి, దాని తర్వాత మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు, రాజ్యరమ గారు, చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు, ఉమాశ్వరరావు గారు, విజయలక్ష్మి గారు, ఉషాదేవి గారు, లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు, శ్యామలారెడ్డి గారు, హరినాథ్ గారు, నారాయణ గారు, ఉమామహేశ్వర శాస్త్రి గారు, ప్రశాంత్ గారు, నేను కూడా ఈ అంశాలను కులంకుశంగా పార్టిసిపెంట్స్తో చర్చించడం జరిగింది. ఈ అన్ని విషయాల మీద వాళ్ళకు మంచి అవగాహన వచ్చిందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ చూస్తుంటే, వాళ్ళు చెప్పడం చూస్తుంటే, వాళ్ళు ప్రశ్నలు అడిగే విధానం చూస్తుంటే నాకు చాలా ఆనందం వేసింది. ఎన్నో విషయాలు ఇక్కడ మేము బోధించడం, చర్చించడం జరిగింది. ఇందులో 70 మంది పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. మేము వాళ్ళ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్ ఐటమ్స్ 3500, 70 × 50 3500 క్వశ్చన్ ఐటమ్స్ మా క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్లోకి వస్తాయని ఆశిస్తున్నాము. ఈ విధంగా ఈ 6 రోజుల కార్యక్రమం మన తెలుగు NVS ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ఎంతో ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉందని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Sir, please switch on the mic, sir.
సార్ మైక్ ఆన్ చేయండి సార్.
Pankaj, sir.
మైక్ ఆన్ కీజిए సార్.
Sorry. So thank you, Dr. Narayan Reddy, for reading out the details to us. I see, like when we started this program, let me get back to the history a little bit. We started this training program with the Malayalam language. Then we did it for Marathi, and then we did for Kannada and Telugu. In the beginning, I thought as a program coordinator, because the Malayalam teachers were so excellent and they started writing the question items and we were so amazed. And then came the Marathi teachers, and if we thought that this record would not be broken. Then the Marathi teachers came and they broke the record of inputting the question items in their own language. And then we thought it's a new record and it will not get broken. Now when you teachers came up, you have broken all of their records in the number of question items that has been inputted in 24 hours. So this tells me one thing, that how hardworking the teachers are. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, they are all so dedicated, and they are all ready to put in harder efforts than the previous batch. So it's so much good to know. And I also one thing would like to acknowledge for all of you teachers, that in this COVID time when everything suddenly came up online, and all of you are not so comfortable using the technology, especially teaching online or learning online. I myself am not. Despite of the fact I'm very much comfortable with the technology, but when it comes to the teaching and learning through online media, I was not so comfortable. So I can understand the problems of you all. Sitting in the different parts of the country, remotest part of the India, and adjusting your webcam, adjusting your mic, and finding the network connection, and so many things that you have to together do. I can see from your screen that some of you are attending it from your schools, some of you attending it from your home, and it must have caused a lot of inconvenience to you all. But still, you people, showed your dedication, put up your hard work, and because of this program tends to be successfully completed. So I think my hats off to all of you. You people have been so wonderful, so patient. Because your patience, without your patience, without your hard work, the successful completion of this program would never have been possible. So salute to all of you teachers, and thank you so much for being here. And now, in order to know the focus feedback towards the program, I would request 3 teachers, 3 from Kannada, 3 from Telugu, to give their feedback. But it will not be direct feedback. First of all, you have to raise your hands in the Google Meet. Like if you want to say something in the end of the program, so there's a raise hand option. You use that, and then Dr. Manjunath or Dr. Narayan Reddy will moderate, will take up the questions or take up the feedback or take up the response, will take up the criticism or the appreciation for the program from three of you. Please understand, it is not possible for us to take everybody's response into account because there are so many people would be raising their hands. So we'll be taking 3 from each language. So Dr. Narayan Reddy, if you can hear me, can you please invite the feedback from 3 persons? You see that the hands are raised, and can you please invite from 3 of them? So once Dr. Narayan Reddy says, okay, take the name of this person, you please unmute your mic and can give your feedback about the execution, about the planning, about the content of the program. We are very much welcome. We will also welcome the criticism if you have any towards the program. So it's very much open. So Narayan Reddy, over to you. Please select 3 persons who have raised their hands and then invite them for the feedback. Thank you.
Thank you, Pankaj sir.
Sir, namaste sir. Sir, namaste sir.
ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇవ్వండి.
ఓకే ఓకే. కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్పంచుకుంటున్నటువంటి అందరికీ नमस्कारम. నాకు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడటమే కన్వీనియంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సార్ मुझे तेलुगु में ही थोड़ा कंफर्ट रहेगा. प्लीज इफ यू परमिट आई विल टॉक इन तेलुगु.
Sir, I am the person who favors the all languages of the India. Please do speak in Telugu. If you speak in English, then I will have problem. Speak in Telugu only.
Okay.
Yeah, please, please.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో మా డిప్యూటీ కమిషనర్ గారు గోపాలకృష్ణ గారికి ముందుగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. కార్యక్రమం ఏదైనా కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించడం ఓకే బానే ఉంటుంది, కానీ దాన్ని నిర్వహించడం అనేటువంటిదే అందులోనే సత్తా అనేటువంటిది బయటపడుతుంది. ఆ కార్యక్రమాన్ని 100% అత్యద్భుతంగా నిర్వహించారు మా నారాయణ రెడ్డి గారు. ఇందులో ఏమాత్రం సందేహం లేదు. మా మిత్రులందరి అభిప్రాయం కూడా అది. చాలా చక్కగా మెయిన్ వారు ఆ స్థానంలో ఉంటూ కూడా ఎంత ఓపిక, అంత ఓపిక నిజంగా మాకుందా అంటే సందేహమే. ఎంత ఓపికగా చెప్తూ, అంటే మనం క్లాస్ లో పిల్లల్ని ఎలా అయితే బొద్దుగిచ్చి చెప్తామో అంత బాగా వారు అందరు చెప్పారు. దాంతో పాటు మాకు పిలిచినటువంటి వక్తలు కూడా ఆయా విషయాల్లో మంచి నిష్ణాతులైనటువంటి వారిని వారు పిలిచారు. అటు ఉమామహేశ్వరరావు గారు, గారపాటి ఉమామహేశ్వరరావు గారు కానీ, తర్వాత అక్కడ హరినాథ్ గారు కానీ, రెడ్డి శ్యామల మేడం గారు కానీ, ఇంకా ఉమామేశ్వర శాస్త్రి గారు కానీ, అంటే కొంతమంది పేర్లే నేను చెప్తున్నాను. అందరూ ఎంతో అద్భుతంగా మాకు వాళ్ళు తీసుకున్నటువంటి విషయాన్ని లోతుగా వివరించి చెప్పారు. ఈ విషయంలో నిజంగా మాకు చాలా ఆనందం కలిగింది. ఎందుకంటే చాలా సార్లు ఏమవుతుందంటే కొంతమంది చెప్పకూడదు సభాముఖంగా వస్తారు, ఏమాత్రం మాకు సంతృప్తిని కలిగించరు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు హరినాథ్ గారు లాంటి వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు ఎంతో చెప్పారు. నిజంగా ఆహా, ఒక కొత్త విషయాన్ని నేర్చుకున్నాం అన్న భావన మాకు బాగా కలిగింది. ఆ తర్వాత ఈ టెక్నికల్ సపోర్ట్ గా ఉన్నటువంటి వీళ్ళ మీ సాంకేతిక బృందంలో ఉన్నటువంటి థామస్ గారు కూడా విషయాన్ని ఎంత చక్కగా వివరించారంటే ఒకసారి చెప్పగానే దాదాపు అర్థమైపోయింది. ఇంకా తర్వాత ఏమైనా సందేహాలు ఉంటే అవి ప్రాక్టికల్స్ లో మాకు తీరిపోయాయి. ముందు 50 ప్రశ్నలని మీరు అనగానే అందరూ కంగారు పడ్డాం. ఎందుకంటే మొదటి ప్రశ్న చేయడానికి మాకు దాదాపు 15 నిమిషాలు 20 నిమిషాలు పట్టింది. అప్పుడు ఇలా అంటే అని కాదు, నవోదయలో అంత సమయం ఉండదు. అందులో ప్రత్యేకించి ఉత్తర భారతంలోనేమో మన సౌత్ వాళ్ళని పట్టుకొని మీరే చేస్తారు, బాగా మీరే చేయండి అని ఎక్కువ వర్క్ ఇస్తారు. సౌత్ లో ఉండే వాళ్ళకి ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్కువ వర్క్ ఉంటుంది. 2 టీచర్స్ 6th నుంచి 12th వరకు డీల్ చేయాలి. అందువల్ల వర్క్ చాలా ఉంది. ఎలా చేయాలనుకున్నాం, కాకపోతే ఒక్కసారి ఆ మార్గంలోకి ఒక్కసారి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అది పెద్దగా కష్టమైతే అనిపించలేదు. చివరికి వచ్చే వరకు ఓహో ఇంతేనా అన్న భావన కూడా కలిగింది. దీనంతటికీ కారణం మాకు అటువంటి భావన కలగటానికి మాకు కార్యక్రమాన్ని అటువంటి వక్తల్ని తీసుకొచ్చి మాకు తెలియజేయటమే. ఇటువంటి మంచి కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించినందుకు నవోదయ విద్యాలయ సమితి వారికి, భారతీయ భాషా సంస్థ వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం. కాకపోతే మాకు ఒక చిన్న లోటేమనిపించిందంటే ఇది మైసూర్లో జరిగితే ఇంకా బాగుండేది కదా అనిపించింది. ఓకే, గోపాలకృష్ణ గారికి, డిసి గారికి, నారాయణ రెడ్డి గారికి, సార్ ఎక్కడ కనిపించలేదు. అజీజ్ సార్ ఉన్నారు. అజీజ్ సార్ గారికి ఇంకా మిగిలిన సాంకేతిక బృందం ఎవరున్నారో నాకు తెలియదు. అందరికి సార్ ఓకే, పంకజ్ ద్వివేది గారికి అందరికి నమస్కారం, ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
నమస్కారం సార్.
కౌండిన్య తిలక్ గారు.
నమస్కారం సార్. నమస్కారం సార్. ఐఎమ్ ఆడిబుల్ టు సార్? వినపడుతుందా?
చెప్పండి.
వినపడుతుందా సార్?
ఇవ్వండి.
ఓకే, నమస్కారం సార్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే మై heartful thanks to Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, our commissioner sir, honorable commissioner sir. Then my thanks goes to all Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti head office officers, and my special heartful thanks to our beloved deputy commissioner Sri Gopalakrishna sir. Sir, without his efforts, without his hard work, without his vision, this program would have not been successful. He is a man, he is a captain, he is a visionary. So with his good planning, we could achieve this training, a successful training. Sir, and his crew, NLI crew, also did a lot of good service to this achieve this training. And now NTS people and CIL people, especially Narayan Reddy Garu, Thomas Garu, has done lot of hard work, and really I appreciate this Narayan Reddy sir for his loving face and laughing face. In the morning I saw, sir, please do it, sir. Sir, please do it, sir. Sir, don't worry, sir. I am with you, sir. So like he is dealing, we are like primary school children. We are asking number of questions, what to do, sir, what to do, sir. This, see, he is never losing any patience. So this kind of atmosphere he prevailed in the training. And very important thing is regarding the training, 6 days training, it went just like 6 minutes. And very important thing is we have actually all the teachers of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, especially regional languages, in the Telugu teachers, our 90% of teachers are verge of retirement. So most of us are in 55 to 50, 60. So we are all very much uncomfortable with this system, online. We are facing a lot of stress and strain due to this new era of teaching. But I don't know, within these 6 days, with this ICT training, really we are very much comfortable. Sir, yesterday I think in the evening I told Narayan sir, we cannot do this questionnaire, sir. You give us some time like that. But somehow I could finish 20 questions, sir, within half a day. So these all, I mean, it is like something, we need some kind of reinforcement force like you people, sir. And next thing is regarding the course, 6 days, very good lectures was conducted, especially the Dr. Harinath sir's poetry's teaching and testing and evaluation, and Shastri sir's and other lectures were excellent, and regarding ICT training also was excellent, and Narayan Reddy sir's that yesterday's 3rd and 4th lectures were so good. So only as my friend told, if this would have been in Mysore, would have been more. Let us see that another program will be conducted in Mysore. And let us see that we will be free from all COVIDs. And my special thanks to our Deputy Commissioner, beloved Deputy Commissioner Sri Gopalakrishna sir. And last but not least, I request Pankaj Dwivedi sir and others to have this kind of trainings again and again. And one more thing, sir, we are all going to retire soon, so we should be in good position in our in our professional channel also. In that aspect also, you please think. Thank you one and all. Please, we'll visit again in Mysore. We'll see that we will come again to Mysore. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. You Srinivasarao garu.
సార్ అందరికి నమస్కారం సార్. సార్ యాక్చువల్ గా మేము ఈ 6 రోజుల ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో సార్ 2008లో ప్రత్యక్షంగా శ్రీ పొట్టి శ్రీరాములు యూనివర్సిటీలో ప్రోగ్రాం జరిగిందండి. మళ్ళీ అప్పుడు విధంగా అందరి కలపటం అనేది చాలా విశేషంగా భావించి అసలు నా పేరు లిస్ట్ లో రాలేదు సార్. కానీ చాలా టెన్షన్ తోటి ఎట్లన్నా కానీ అటెండ్ కావాలి అనే ఉద్దేశంతో అసలు ఇక్కడ నెట్వర్క్ లేకపోయినా ఏమవుతుందా అన్న ఒక ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ తోటి మీ క్లాసులు మేము అటెండ్ కావడం అనేది జరిగింది సార్. నిజంగా చాలా కోఆపరేషన్ ఇచ్చారు. అసలు ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ నేను మిస్ అవుతాను అనుకున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే నా పేరు రాకపోయేటప్పటికి. సో మంచి రీసోర్స్ పర్సన్ ని పరిచయం చేయటం మాకు, అట్లానే గోపాలకృష్ణ సార్ గారు కూడా మాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ లో ప్రతి విషయం ఫస్ట్ నుంచి కూడా 6 రోజుల వరకు ఎంతో సహకరించినటువంటి నారాయణ రెడ్డి గారి సార్కి, అట్లానే పంకజ్ ద్వివేది సార్ గారికి, అట్లానే మాకు మా సహోదరులు మిత్రులు ఎప్పుడు ఫోన్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు వెంటనే రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యి మిస్ కాకూడదు, ఎట్లాగైతే డైలీ క్లాసులో పిల్లల్ని ఎలా అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తాం అలాగా ఎట్లా అంటే ఒక చైల్డ్ హుడ్ నేచర్ లోకి తీసుకెళ్ళి, అంటే మరో ప్రపంచంలోకి తీసుకెళ్ళి అందరూ అసలు 6 రోజులు అప్పుడే అయిపోయిందా అనేది ఒక భావన స్ఫురించడం అనేది చాలా సంతోషదాయకం సార్. గోపాలకృష్ణ సారు, మళ్ళీ ఈ రోజు అహ్మద్ సారు అసలు కాల్ చేయగానే ఏదో తర్వాత చేద్దామనే భావన కూడా లేకుండా వెంటనే అసలు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వటం అనేది నిజంగా మాకు అందరు కోఆపరేషన్ వల్లే నేను ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను సార్. వాస్తవానికి లేకపోతే ఎవరు ఫోన్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయకపోయినా, ఎవరు రెస్పాండ్ కాకపోయినా ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ కి నేను అటెండ్ కాలేకపోతుంది సార్. అసలు చాలా ఆనందం వేస్తుంది నాకు. అసలు ట్రైనింగ్ కి ముందు ఉన్నటువంటి భావనకి ట్రైనింగ్ తర్వాతకి మొత్తం చాలా మార్పు అనేది కనిపించింది సార్. అందరికీ డిసి సార్ గారికి నా యొక్క ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ కి సహకరించిన ఎంతో ఎప్పటికప్పుడే తర్వాత ఏం చెప్తారని నారాయణ రెడ్డి గారు సార్ గారు చాలా అసలు ఎంతో ఓర్పుతో నేర్పుతో మంచి మాటలు కూర్పుతోటి మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ ఆనందింపజేసినందుకు మా తెలుగు ఉపాధ్యాయుల తరపున అందరికీ పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు చేసుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినటువంటి వారికి నా నమస్కారాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను.
Teachers, and one common thing which has come to my notice that many of them want a physical training at CIL Mysore. So let me inform to all my dear teacher participants that usually we conduct only in-house training only, face-to-face training only for the teachers, university teachers, college teachers, school teachers, as well as the research scholars and the postdoctoral scholars. We invite them from all across India, and then we train them, and then we have far intense discussions and far intense lectures, then fightings, then argument, then the modifications, then assessment of the question item that teachers prepared, then lot of discussion over it. But as you already know, it is not possible in these times, in this such a time, all kind of trainings have been either converted into online mode or have been put on hold. So when the NVS approached us for organizing a training program for their language teachers, so the only option we had to host it online. Otherwise, the NVS itself wanted our teachers to come to CIL Mysore and get trained in person by the experts. And but this time it was only possible through online mode. We'll be very much happy. We'll be very, very much happy if we can invite some of you, and if possible, all of you, in few batches and train you, in depth about the in detail. We have some intensive training program as well. This was general in nature, with the teaching techniques and methodologies in the area of testing and evaluation, keeping language education in the focus. So of course we'll do that. And I have also been able to follow the kind of feedback you people have been giving. Though I don't understand the Telugu and Kannada, but with my interaction to the teachers in the last few years, I have been able to follow up. So most of you have said very nice things about the teachers, about the lectures, about the content. So my thank you to all of you. And who can understand better than the teachers who have so much of experience? And as I said, I can see some of you are attending this session from outside, I can see the trees and the buildings, and from remote locations, as somebody mentioned. This is why I said this was more challenging for you in terms of the normal regular sessions, because despite of so many challenges, network issues, internet issues, and issues related to technology, you people put your all hard work and came to at the came to receive this training. And I'm sure that the kind of learning you people have inculcated in this last 6 days, you will be able to reflect it in your classroom teaching, and you will also share it with your fellow teachers. And I am very much confident of that. And you will also be, utilizing these techniques in your classroom. So thank you so much. I think now it is time to invite Sri Gopal Krishna ji for his closing remarks. Gopal ji, can you hear me?
Yeah, Dwivedi ji.
Over to you, please. Over to you, please.
Thank you so much, Dwivedi ji. Most respected Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi ji, office in charge, and the director, Professor C. Venkatesh Murthy Garu, the resource persons for Kannada and Telugu, Dr. Manjunath ji and Narayan Reddy ji, and most beloved teachers and the technical team of NTS. It's a wonderful experience for us to facilitate this program through Navodaya Leadership Institute, Rangareddy. And I also wish to pay my respect to Mr. Aziz Ahmad, the coordinator NLI, who has done a yeoman service in connecting the teachers with training institute. It is an amazing experience to listen to the feedback both from the resource persons of these two language training programs and the participants. The feedback that has been given by Mr. Uma Maheshwar Rao, JNV Korea, Mr. Tilak, JNV Rangareddy, U. Srinivas Rao, and I think SR Srinivas tried from Adilabad, but due to technical reasons, he dropped. And the comprehensive report provided by Mr. D.B. Chitta, JNV Alirajpur, Parasappa, and Anil S. Gowda. This feedback, Dwivedi sir, I'm sure you would have followed most part of it, that depicts the intensity with which the participants have engaged themselves in the activities conducted by the resource persons, and also the in-depth knowledge, experience, and expertise, and the commitment of the resource persons. The words they have used for both Narayan Reddy and Manjunath ji, it's so amazing, so inspiring. You people at NTS and CIL, you have not only conducted the training program for the capacity building of the language teachers, you also have demonstrated a model like how one should get engaged with the learners. What it means by learner-centric approach. What are the different aspects of being part of learner-centric approach? Hats up to all of you, sir, for having organized such a wonderful training program. And especially, I would like to place it before you that the regional language teachers in Navodaya system are the backbone of this system in promoting the integrity, harmony, peace, and happiness on the school campus. Emotional and social intelligence promotion and integrating them with the cognitive development. These people do a wonderful job To believe it, you have to visit some of the JNV, sir. And I wish that in the days to come, all of you have to visit some of the JNVs to see the wonderful work that is being done by the regional language teachers. You call it experiential teaching, you call it child-centered teaching, you call it teaching through joyful measures, you call it situational teaching, you call it project-based teaching, you call it teaching through poetry, teaching through life. All that they have done, so much of experiments. You can see the documents, made by some of these teachers, which will endorse as an evidence for their quality teaching. And sir, I also wish to place before you that these regional language teachers who are posted in the migration linkage JNVs, they play a very important role in teaching, in transmitting, in creating a harmonious environment in the that JNV, which is thousands of kilometers away from the parent JNV. So your training inputs will go a long way, Pankajji, and it's only a beginning. And our sincere respects and gratitude to our Honorable Commissioner, who has given a lot of importance to this program. And he also has envisioned that regional languages have to be given due importance. And he also has had a very elaborate discussion with Director Sir, Professor Venkatesh Murthy, that we have to come together to create a better platform, more productive platform, more meaningful platform, more fruitful kind of means to promote these languages by taking cue from the emphasis made in the new education policy. I think you also would agree with me that in the entire country, we are the forerunners. By taking the cue from NEP 2020, we have arranged this training program for the language teachers to show them you are the torchbearers, you are the forerunners, and you are the path makers, and be with the system. And now you are trained, go back and discuss these things with the fellow teachers to show them like how the teachers have to work together and how the language teachers have to work with the creative staff, to work with the other subject teachers, so that the learning environment in the school will be turned into a joyful experience for the children. And the language teachers also, as the dream of our Honorable Commissioner, they play a very important role in connecting the learners with the culture, the food habits, the festivals, the art, the technology, everything that is present in the geographical location wherever they are teaching. And I think they are already doing a great job, sir. Especially the language teachers in this part of the country, they have created their own centers of excellence in their respective subjects. You will find 7th class, 8th class children being, formed into groups and creating poetry, writing creative stories, sharing with them, documenting them, showing them for the parents. It's a happening place. JNV is a happening place. And that happening place is created by these language teachers. And the way they collaborate with the parents, the community, the district administration. Special thanks to the language teachers of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, and they are doing a wonderful job. And within short time, just see how much interest they have to get connected with the digitalization process, and getting connected with the computers, and all of them are expressing high degree of happiness. And the credit goes to NTS and CAL, and we are always indebted to you, Pankaj sir. The way you respond, the way you come forward to support, the way you attend our calls, all that speaks volumes about your professional commitment and the deep desire to promote quality education in the rural areas of our country. And the service to Navodaya teachers is service to the country, and service especially to the rural talent of the country. So I take this opportunity to thank everyone who is present here, and special thanks to the technical team of NTS Raghavan and his group. They have done a wonderful job. And we know why we are finding so excited to interact with you is we find a lot of similarity between the Navodaya culture and CEL and NTS culture. For us, the moment we are given some assignment, we don't think about anything else. We get continuously engaged in it. Sometimes in the middle of the night, 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock also, we find teachers writing the questions and asking the other members to help them and so on and so forth. And special thanks to Uma Maheshwar Rao and Dorai Raj and Venugopal Tilak and one more, I think Srinivas Rao or somebody, who have brought out daily reports session-wise by taking the support from other members. It has become a document in itself. Very extensive report has been created on every session of the training program. So you also have made such a scientific system of the training program. That is, you have introduced the concept, then you have you have laid out the learning objectives, then you have also have identified the learning outcomes, and then you have given them practice in preparing the questions. Dear teachers, please take it from me that if you can create a minimum of 50 questions and more, and you are going to be master in your subject, because framing a question gives you a holistic revision and review of the entire methodology that is involved, the pedagogy, and all those things which are involved in teaching of the subject. So I request all of you, don't limit yourself to 50 questions. I expect more than 50, even 100. Most of you are capable of writing even 100 and odd questions. And this is going to be a permanent part of the repository of NTS. And these questions are going to be benefit thousands and thousands of language teachers across the country. So I request all of you to take extra interest and see that we produce the best quality questions to enrich the repository of NTS. Thank you very much, Vedi sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. And I completely agree with each and every word which you have put. And like the Honorable Commissioner himself mentioned, and you also restated it today, that teachers form the backbone of this migration program of the NVS. And like you said that I should go to the GenV and see that how hardworking the teachers are. Let me take opportunity to inform you that I have already visited some of the GenVs and I have met with the students, and their students are so good, and it is an evidence that how great the teachers will be. I interacted with them, and students are so nice, and this reflects the hard work that is being put by the NVS teachers. And I don't say it only about the language teachers, about all the teachers. All the teachers have been putting so much of effort, and it's very much evident. And I am sure that we are together going to go a long way from here. It will not just be the end of the program. We will keep learning. The CIL will keep learning its language resources with the NVS teachers, and NVS teachers will keep sharing their classroom insights with the NVS. And together we will grow. Together we will excel this field. There is also, thank you so much for your kind words, sir. There is one request which I have found from some of the teachers. They have just said, please extend the little bit of time for inputting the question items. So I am happy to inform that the link will at least be open for the 15 days. But it does not mean it is open for 15 days, so you have to wait for the last day to input the question. So that is not the thing. So you have to try inputting the question, as many questions as you could. That is for your own good, and that is also for our mutual good. Somebody some people in the Marathi group have crossed 100 questions. So now that you have already broken the 24 hours of record, I will also request you to break this record as well. So at least if 10% teachers from the Kannada and the Telugu group can break this record, so probably you will be ahead of both the groups. And there will also be the mutual competition among two groups, Kannada group and Telugu group, and this is a healthy competition. This is a healthy competition. So I am sure that you will be try breaking up one another's record. So I am just waiting for that. And one thing which I must not forget before like closing of this program, that Gopal sir has been, you know, extremely active and extremely supportive in the conduct of this program. Like all the teachers, you know, like those who got the opportunity to provide the feedback, they said that he is a true guide. So I can tell you that before I even, you know, every day during this program, before I could even reach the office, there would at least be, you know, either message or call from Gopal sir, you know, how about the programs or how it is going, and you know, if you need any support, if you need any guidance, I'm 24 hours online and every day. So before the beginning of the program, before the end of the and after the end of the program, we'll talk and we'll decide the strategies. So he has been an essential part in the smooth conduct as well as the execution of the program. So sir, my heartfelt, you know, thanks to you as well, regards to you, and without your support this program would never have been possible. It's such a successful education would never have been possible. So I would like to convey my thanks from the side of NTS and CIL to you. And of course, the thanks are anyway, you know, due to the teachers, that will be conveyed by somebody else. So thank you so much, sir, for being with us here today. And now I would like to request Muhammad Aziz ji. Muhammad Aziz ji, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
I would like to request Muhammad Aziz ji, who has been with us since the beginning of the Malayalam program, the first program for the language teachers till now. And he has also been, you know, observing it 24/7. Like you see the NTS team, he has also been observing and, you know, coordinating it from the end of the NLI Rangareddy. So he has been very valuable to us. So, so Muhammad Aziz ji, so thank you so much. And now I would request you to propose a vote of thanks to our teachers and to others who have been involved in the conduct and the execution of the program. Muhammad Aziz ji, over to you, please.
Thank you very much, Dr. Pankaj ji, for having given me this opportunity to propose vote of thanks today on behalf of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Honorable Professor C.G. Venkatesha Murthy, Director, CIIL, Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi, Officer in Charge and Program Coordinator, NTS India, CIIL Mysore, Shri Gopalakrishna, Deputy Commissioner, Navodaya Leadership Institute, Rangareddy, Dr. Narayan Reddy, Garu, Dr. Manjunatha, all the honorable faculty members from CIIL Mysore, members of technical staff, and dear participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti Noida, I take this opportunity to extend my deep sense of gratitude to you all for making these online training programs a grand success. In fact, the online training program on teaching, testing, and evaluation for the Kannada and Telugu teachers have been very effective, as we could gauge based on the feedback of the training. Were highly resourceful, experienced, and highly qualified. They made the sessions more interesting, vibrant, and interactive by their resourceful interactions with our participants. For this, we are extremely thankful to all the faculty members and technical staff of CIIL Mysore. Without their cooperation, this program would have not been a success. The sessions on framing of questions on the web portal of NTS, that is the National Testing Service, were activity oriented, and doubts pertaining to the technical aspects were very nicely clarified and dealt by the technical team and the resource persons, for which they are really deserve to be applauded. Specifically, I am a teacher such an excellent opportunity to undergo an effective online training in collaboration with CIIL Mysore. So under his patronage and able visionary leadership, we are marching confidently in the right direction to realize our goal. So we are extremely thankful to our Honorable Commissioner. We are also thankful to Shri Ganendra Kumar, Deputy Commissioner Training NVS Headquarters, for his able guidance and support that we have been getting right from the beginning, not only during these online courses, but also for a lot many online courses and other offline courses that we have been conducting early, right from the beginning. Thank you very much, sir. So sir is not, of course, available here. So he has really provided, he also contributed a lot in providing the language teachers such an excellent opportunity to undergo such effectively conducted online training program, Mysore. So thank you very much, sir. Our special thanks to Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi ji, who is the vital force, I say, behind planning, preparation, and effective conduct of these online trainings. Thank you very much, sir. Right from the registration to the valedictory program, your contribution to make this online course a grand success is really invaluable. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Sri Gopalakrishna ji, who has been a motivating force at NLI Rangareddy and contributed a lot for the success of these online courses. Let me extend my deep sense of gratitude to all the resource persons who are, who could able to spare their valuable time with us and gave all of us an excellent opportunity to enrich our experiences during these training programs. Last but not least, I extend my thanks to all the participants for their active participation. And without their cooperation, these programs would have not been a grand success. Samiti, dear participants, Samiti expects you to bring about a change in the field of competency building education in regional languages during the interaction with resource persons and the way you conducted during online training. You all are really deserve to be applauded. As Pankaj has rightly said, that you have set up a new record of preparing 2,000 questions and more during 24 hours of time. So you are really very resourceful and have got potential to go for competency-based teaching. Now the training is over, but your work now starts. Though there are a lot of expectations from you, but the ground realities differ from JNV to JNV. Your success depends on how best are you going to mobilize your resources that are at your command to fill the gulf between the expectations and the ground realities. The more you fill the gulf, the more you would be effective in your endeavors. So you only can make a change because a teacher cannot be a teacher if he is not still learning, experiencing, and changing his or her strategy as per the needs and the demands of our stakeholders. Wish you best of luck. May God bless you. Thank you very much for providing me such an excellent opportunity to propose vote of thanks. So I once again extend my deep sense of gratitude to one and all for making these programs a grand success. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for kind and encouraging words. And I would also like to thank all the teachers and who have been the most important part. They've been very patient. They've been very nice. And this program is a grand success only because of them only. So thank you to all of you. And this shall not be over. We'll be together. We'll be keep in touch, and we'll keep sharing our teaching, learning, and resources with one another over a long period of time. So thank you so